You can't harmonize Richard Nixon noises. Anyway, welcome back to Cole and Matt's Super Happy Fun Time show.
A lock.
I feel like I'm changing the name like every time. We're playing Bioshock.
I hit select and it didn't do anything. There we go. That did a thing. Press, what is that?
Get the key.
What is that button? Oh, this is save. Okay, we're gonna new save.
You found the key. Wrench.
Save and contact. Right into the game. First loading screen. Woo!
So first off, I just want to say I really enjoy the art of this game. Like, look behind you.
Whoop.
Happy Chappy. It's gorgeous. Also, you might want to be able to raid him.
To raid?
Not raid, search the dead body.
Guy?
Yes.
3 pistol
You
rounds.
do need pistol rounds.
Search his dick.
Why were there bullets in there, man? I know these splicers are weird, but...
That's how he shoots his goo.
Ha! What movie was that from?
I think that's from Game Grumps, actually. Because, like, Aaron was talking in some episode about, like...
Oh, go to the machine over there.
Using iron to shoot your goo. Which, this thing?
No, back.
Back.
It's probably nothing, but go back.
This?
Nope.
No?
Over there. To the right?
Yes.
Keep going. There's a machine.
This.
What does that do?
It
lets you know what it is. Well, now I think you're fixing it. Wait. How fast can you do it? Just like keep like a beat?
Nope, it stops after 3.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, let's keep going. Ooh, cream-filled cake.
Gaining health. Oh, you.
Oh.
Wait. I don't think you can use that point anymore.
It doesn't look broken.
Do it again. Do it again.
I don't know, because what if I die?
Oh, hi.
How dare you?
You're about to die, by the way. I would, heal yourself. Heal thyself, physician.
Done. Oh, yeah.
Oh, her mask came off. She's a person.
Oh.
Oh, no. They're real people. Horrors of war uncovered.
Horrors of war?
Another pistol. There's so many pistols here.
Is that a Russian dude?
It's a world of everybody. I would go check him out. Oh, sick.
Good, I missed. That just automatically did that.
Oh yeah, after it runs out, it'll do it for you.
You are empty.
You frickin' Russian.
Your face, though.
Lovely. Could we just enjoy it for a second before going into the madness?
Me, when I edit this, zoom in.
Can you feel the love tonight? Oh, he or she is presenting.
Oh,
I would, yeah, keep checking out things, Matt. Maybe pull out that pistol, the pistole of yours.
why do I need a pistol?
Because guns work very, oh yeah.
Just do what he told me to do.
Toaster and a tub. I'm sure
Is that a dead Big Daddy?
Yeah.
They die?
Yeah, I think they're part human, possibly? Again, I'm pretty sure I'm getting all the facts wrong in this.
I thought they were just big old robots.
Check them.
Corpse. That's all he is. He's just a corpse.
Robots don't leave corpses.
Take a shower.
What's
that flat water texture, though? God, that
Don't
is
shock yourself.
early 2000s. I'm so tempted.
And you can no longer go upstairs.
Yeah.
Good morning, Rapture. Good morning.
So, what happened to this place?
Good morning, Rapture. Good morning, Cole. How are you doing? Oh, I'm doing good. Yourself? Oh, just really busy being a fucking underwater city and all. Grab the booze. Oh, you're an alcoholic now.
Did I just...
Yeah, you drink 2 bottles of whiskey. Your metabolism is freaking amazing. Oh, God. Good luck. Please kill her. And take out Gunga.
Okay.
Shock him. He's in the water.
Why did it do 2?
Use your first aid.
Well, I died.
Sick. Let me see.
Oh, good. We're halfway through the map. Beautiful. Alright. Cole is now playing.
You're being revived at a Vita chamber. The same one that you jacked up earlier. Oh, God. How do I attack?
Right trigger. Left trigger is the thing. No. A, open doors.
Okay, wait, how do you change weapons?
The bumpers. Did you not see me in this? See Cole in this, I guess?
Oh,
That worked. I think you
Suck. Oh dear, there's a flamethrower.
I think there's also another person.
Oh god. What is going on?
I don't know. You know this game better than I do.
Oh god. Oh, wait. Thank God. I was not prepared to deal with those people. I feel like it's safe. Ryan, I mean, not Ryan, Atlas. Sorry. I'm robbing people. You don't understand my pains or my womanly needs.
Another bathroom. How many bathrooms does this place need?
It's a city, Matt. I assume a lot. It's underwater. You can waste all the water you want.
You're right, though.
Ultimate power. Oh god, I feel so good. First aid. Wow. We do need more electric stuff, though.
Why is it called first aid?
What do like? There's other forms of aid.
Yeah, it's second aid, third aid. AIDS.
Right aid.
Right. Kool-Aid. Powerade, Gatorade, getting paid, getting laid. Gatorade.
Getting me in the shade. That's 2 rhymes. Oh!
Ooh.
Thank God I can see things.
There's that screwed up light texture again.
Huh.
Oh!
You don't even know me, dude. I'm just... Really? It's kind of what it looks like. There are people over there. And I personally do not feel safe.
That's Vadanya.
Does that mean goodbye?
Yes, I think that's Russian for goodbye.
I know it's Russian. Oh.
That's horrifying.
Let's do this. Or we can't. Close the door.
You can't go. Just go.
How?
Just go.
Where? Oh.
The big glowy thing.
I was ready to
Alan Wake rules.
I was ready to take him out. I was pumped. I was psyched.
I know you're. There were only
Homicides?
3 of them. We fought more of them like earlier.
True, but I just did kill 4 people.
This is true.
I'm a
You
murderer.
monster.
Are you as turned on right now as I am?
Yeah.
Cool. Moving past that. I'm glad we've acknowledged the fact that we can get boners.
Yeah.
So that's a really good feeling.
I've had one for 3 hours now.
It doesn't show. Oh wow, it does.
Fuck you.
Love you, Matt.
Stop.
No, it gives me health.
Go. You give me angina.
Physician, heal thyself.
You give me angina.
Making my way downtown, bloody stains. I'm in pain and I move on. Let's buy stuff. What do you want to buy?
Well, what do we need? Vodka. You always need
Lots
vodka.
of alcohol. Okay. Want to hack it?
Go for it.
Start hack.
Oh, it's a mini game. Oh
Real
my god,
tiles.
is this? Oh my god.
To pick up
I
pipes.
hate these so much.
Help me with this. I tried to do this
easy.
one time, and if we get this guy, he helps us out. Ready?
Okay.
Go. Okay. Where's that to go?
I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Yeah, just flip them all over, see what they do.
Ah, God. Nope. Okay. What about this? It's right there. This goes cool. Is there one that goes down?
No, I don't. No idea. Yeah, this one.
Oh, cool.
How were you switching it out earlier?
Oh, that's right. Okay. There's not one that goes right yet. Oh, God. Okay, cool. Oh, God. Sick.
Sick, ill, nasty.
We need one more. Where is it?
We need this
there
one.
we go.
There we go.
We got a robot. Not just a robot. A robot with a gun.
He's looking a little drunk there. I'm pretty sure he just tried to decapitate us.
It's cool. Apparently we don't have heads.
Oh.
What's up?
Is that a big old bullet box sitting on his back?
Oh yes, he has a gun. Let's go through women's items. Oh yes. Those are giant dollars.
Those are really big dollars.
The moment when you're playing an RPG-esque game and you just spam the A button to collect everything, not even looking.
How to actually loot. Is this like Skyrim where you pick up too much stuff and start walking slow?
And we're gonna use the Runch or the Eve. Runch, Eve.
Either or. Eve.
Ooh, look at those hairy veiny legs.
Mm.
You don't need that anyway. I think you're good. Okay, so I guess we're going
Can you
downstairs.
jump on that that chandelier-esque thing?
Can I swing on the chandelier?
Yeah.
Probably. Oh!
Nice!
Parkour?
Hardcore parkour.
Hardcore parking parkour?
Yes.
No fall damage. Good to know.
Nice.
I think we need bullets. Can we
Yeah.
hack it?
Go for it.
Cool.
Oh
Oh,
my
God.
it's the same thing again.
Why? No. This is very bad. No.
Failure.
It hurt me. Lovely. I'm just gonna buy stuff. Screw it. There's vodka.
There is. See? Told you.
Let's just get drunk. How much is it? $3? Easy.
Yeah, but it drains Eve.
We have Eve. We're cool. We do need bullets though.
Okay, go for it.
Really? Whoa! Nothing can stop us. Don't stop me now.
I'm having such a good time. I'm
having
having a
good
ball.
time. Superstar on my way to Mars on a collision
I don't think that's how it goes.
to find the laws of gravity of grandiose.
You okay over there?
I'm on a superstar waiting to explode like Lady Godiva. Fuck you, General.
You know what would be great for a fight like this?
Ooh, ooh, ooh. What?
Actual music.
What can we use?
I have no idea. There's no music in the background though. It's
Also,
literally just
how
us
do you
hitting
restock
things.
your Eve again?
X.
X.
Yeah, there you go.
Sick, nasty.
Sick, ill, nasty.
What's this do? Oh God.
It denies access. Congratulations.
But it. Oh hey.
Hit her.
You could say I'm pretty deadly with the ladies. Come on, bud. No. Come over here.
Calm down there, killer.
He's retarded. I have to put him down.
Or am I just overjoyed? Oh.
There you go. I'm sorry.
You did a real good thing there, Cole.
No, look, he's coming now. Just had to beat him up a little bit. Or are we going this way? Don't believe I can.
You're gonna get electrocuted. I'm just calling that right now.
Oh, Matt, thanks.
You're welcome.
You have such faith in me. There you go. He's not doing so hot. In here. Come on.
Legitimately me if I was a robot.
Okay, thank God this is the right way. I want the freaking blades.
Is that a Tommy gun?
Oh, you know it is.
Oh my god, I love it.
Rat-tat-tat, matha-lava.
Like the Pokemon.
Do you have a very good in a world voice?
In a world. No, I don't.
Oh my! And we're moving.
God, you're like a sponge. Bullets.
Why? Oh, hi. Nice try, doll. Such containers for loot. I believe my robot's dying. You brought a wrench to a gunfight.
I believe your robot buddy's doing pretty good out there.
I believe I'm doing pretty swell myself. Oh God!
Are you really though?
I'm
B.
I'm not dead.
Yeah, there you go. Yet. I'm not dead yet.
Oh. Buddy, no.
Go back.
Should I just put him out of his misery?
Yeah.
Stop. I love that so much.
Okay, on the table I think there was
What you got?
There's a first aid kit on the table.
Well, there's also stuff for me to
There's a
grab.
thing on the table. There you go.
And machine gun rounds. Perfect. I need everything.
See, I told you, you should have gone back.
Oh, honey, I know. With the dawn.
Same. Oh, we're back here now. Kerps.
Good old Kerpsy. What's in here? Do we go through here? Is this the correct? This is the correct way.
I have no idea. I love the fact.
Fastest hands alive. Oh look, you can actually figure it out. So there's only one more weapon slot. We have 3 options: machine guns, pistols, and wrench.
You know, I think the wrench is the most trusty.
Oh, whoa, bro.
That grainy effect, though.
I just got a negative boner.
Yeah, it just inverted.
Yeah, balgina, I believe is what they're called. Draft bastard, set up a shop in the surgery wing. You wanna play?
Oh, no, go for it.
You sure?
Yeah, no, go for it. You're doing good.
Cool. New diary. I love looking through people's personal information.
Same.
What does it say? Above all, do no harm. Steinman. Oh. That tricky dick. And how do I reload? Or does it do it for me?
I have no idea. I didn't use the gun much.
Oh, hi. Person or robot?
I have no idea.
Robot.
Wow, you are pinned.
I got this.
This is where sprinting would come in handy.
Where is it?
Yay, mini games again.
Oh,
What
God.
is that?
Okay, what can I use? You can go there. And I can bring that to you, except for I can't. Where do I have to? Oh, God. Cool.
You're really good at this.
Now that I understand it. Where I need to decide
I
which one.
still don't
Help me.
understand it.
Help me find. There we go.
Dude, I don't.
No, actually I could use this. And go right there, and then use this guy right here to go right there, and this guy right here to go right there, which can lead me to right here. Oh no, where'd it go?
Oh.
It's gonna lead me right there. Then I need some more ups. There we go. And
And you need a right.
yeah, actually I can never hack when I first played this, and so it's really, really makes me very, very happy that I can actually, you know, do this now.
And you're just getting me achievements left and right.
Yeah, try and fight me with my turret. My kill.
Okay, X is to hold your
Atom
weapon.
denies us any excuse for not being good.
What is Adam?
I think Adam's the person we're talking to?
No, I think that's Atlas.
True. Oh no, Adam is the.
Adam's the thing.
Oh, I gotta go this way. Oh god!
Oh,
No, no, no. Oh god!
Well then, that worked.
I am very good at this game. In case you guys could not tell.
Who's coughing?
Hero station.
Well, that would have been nice.
Well, I mean, you have to pay money for it.
So,
money.
they're just giving you money left and right, though.
I saw somebody. Where did it go? Oh god.
Yeah, that would be a nice thing to get rid of.
Believe it or not, it's just you.
Oh my god, were you singing that George
Who
thing?
can it be?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Seinfeld. God, I love Seinfeld.
Eternal Flame. Sounds like my kind of party.
That actually happened. Oh my god,
Oh,
I'm so
this guy's-
happy. Oh, Jesus. Why is this guy so strong? Did he just come out of... Did he just warp?
No, different guy.
Oh.
There could be more than one doctor, Matt.
The same character model. It confused me.
Lily's like, wait! Hey, buddy.
Fuck him up. There you go.
And I'm out of bullets.
A headshot, though. Grenades?
Nothing.
Oh.
Monies.
That was
We got
such a
$12.
cock cheese.
Oh, God.
Oh, no.
No! I'm wasting things. You have hidden from the security camera.
Congratulations.
I'm very good at hiding. Matt.
Sure you are.
Can I hop along up there? Yes.
Hop along, Cassidy.
I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah. Sure you were.
The exact same thing. What's this? Saws. Check your map. Do. There's no map. We're screwed.
Select.
And now I can't move.
Select.
Maybe this button?
Select.
No.
No, that changes the controls.
There we go. That thing. Map. Cool. I don't understand that, so cool.
So, yeah, no, that wasn't very good
Use
mechanic
stairs,
there.
I think is what it meant to say.
This is weird looking.
It is. Okay.
Burn.
Yes.
Yes. Cremation.
Cremation intoxication. Okay, so we do have to go back through the way we came. Oh god. I gained Eve. Just do it. Just play.
Just play?
Yes.
Okay.
After.
Well, I think it's time for next time on Matt and Cole's Happy Fun Time show, actually.
Hey, Chica.
As the shootout goes down.
I
so next time,
One
Cole
sec.
will actually
Woo!
kill something. Oh,
Really?
I guess
I've
it
been
was
killing
this time.
More things than you have, Matt.
Fight
me.
I beat them in the face with a wrench, though. You shot
1v1
them.
me, dog.
Well, I will with that wrench. Anyway, bye guys. See you later.
I can make holes too.
Come on!
Also, you might want to be able to raid him.
To raid?
Not raid, search the
loot
dead
this
body.
guy?
Yes.
3 pistol
You do
rounds.
need pistol rounds.
Search his dick.
Why were there bullets in there, man? I know you splicers are weird, but...
That's how he shoots his goo.
Ha! What movie was that from?
I think
There's a
that's
movie-
from Game Grumps, actually. Because, like, Aaron was talking in some episode about, like...
Oh, go to the machine over there.
Using iron to shoot your goo. Which, this thing?
No, back.
Back.
It's probably nothing, but go back.
This?
Nope.
No?
Over there. To the right?
Yes.
Keep going. You can't harmonize Richard Nixon noises. Anyway, welcome back to Cole and Matt's Super Happy Fun Time show.
A lock.
I feel like I'm changing the name like every time. We're playing Bioshock.
I hit select and it didn't do anything. There we go. That did a thing. Press, what is that?
Get the key.
What is that button? Oh, that's save. Okay, we're gonna new save.
You found the key. Wrench.
Save and contact. Right into the game. First loading screen. Woo!
So first off, I just want to say I really enjoy the art of this game. Like, look behind you.
Whoop.
Happy Chappy. It's
Oh,
gorgeous.
good, I missed. That just automatically did that.
Oh yeah, after it runs out, it'll do it for you.
You are empty.
You frickin' Russian.
Your face, though.
Lovely. Can we just enjoy it for a second before going into the madness?
Me, when I edit this, zoom in.
Can you feel the love tonight? Oh, he or she is presenting.
Oh,
I would, yeah, keep checking out things, Matt. Maybe pull out that pistol, that pistole of yours.
why do I need it? How dare you?
You're about to die, by the way. I would, heal yourself. Heal thyself, physician.
Done. Oh, yeah.
Oh, her mask came off. She's a person.
Oh.
Oh no, they're real people. Horrors of war uncovered.
Whores of war?
Another pistol. There's so many pistols
Is that
here.
a Russian dude?
It's a world of everybody. I would go check him out. Oh, sick. There's a machine.
Yes.
What does that do?
It
It lets you know what it is. Well, now I think you're fixing it. Wait. How fast can you do it? Just like keep like a beat?
Nope, it stops after 3.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, let's keep going. Ooh, cream-filled cake.
Gaining health. Oh, you. Just,
Oh.
Wait. I don't think you can use that point anymore.
It doesn't look broken.
Do it again. Do it again.
I don't know, because what if I die?
Oh, hi.